Teachable Tutorial 2023, How to Create and Upload Online Courses for Beginners. In this video, we're going to be discussing about Teachable and how you can upload and create yourself the greatest service and courses online and sell it to people, obviously, to make money and profit. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and write Teachable. So over here it says teachable.com, Teachable online course platform, create and sell courses. So we're going to head on to here. Now here we are. This is the Teachable interface. It's pretty user friendly, pretty nice, looks pretty good. You'll get familiar with it right away. Now, in retrospect, if you don't know what courses are basically services that you offer your customers or clients, you offer them services. It could be online tutoring, it could be online yoga classes or something like that. Those are the services that you offer. Now, customers are going to approach your services, which you could call courses. They're going to approach your services, and if they like it, they're going to pay you for it. And then you're going to send them those courses. Now, those courses either could be in real time or they could be pre-recorded. It all depends on you, but those are courses. You're going to send them a whole course in bulk, and you're going to take payment up front. So that's basically what a course is, and that's what we're going to be learning how to create today. So yeah, here it says, share what you know. Transform your knowledge into a thriving business with the best online course platform for creators everywhere. So obviously we're going to sign up over here after we're done with, talking about it. From online courses to digital downloads and beyond, this is where creative entrepreneurs build a future. Watch the video below to see how Teachable can transform your business. You can watch this video below. It's a great tutorial, so you can go ahead and get inspired by it. Join more than 100,000 creators who have sold over $1 billion in courses and coaching. You can also view the features. We're going to do this in just a second. Till then, we're going to discuss it more. Easy as it gets. In a matter of minutes, you'll have access to everything you could ever need to create and sell online courses and coaching. Our stress-free platform makes it easy, tech skills or no tech skills. Teach the way you want to learn. This is the fun part. Show off your brand's unique POV by using our customization tools to curate and personalize your content. The small matter of getting paid. You didn't go into business to stress over money. Quite the opposite. So we've got that covered. Payouts, taxes, affiliates, authors, that's our thing. You do yours. Now, if we go further down, we can see there was this person called Julia Stoyan. She really said, what really has clinched it for me, why I chose Teachable and why I love it and will continue to do my online courses with Teachable is the great support that they have. So you can see that they have a great help and support system. If you have any issue, you can just contact the Teachable support. Establish your business's hub on Teachable. In this free mini course, learn how to showcase your business and start collecting leads on Teachable in just 5 days. Then obviously you have award-winning support for creators and businesses of all sizes and subjects. And yeah, that's about it. Now, if you were to go and discuss the features, as I said, let's go and discuss all the features, all the main features that Teachable brings you. So monetize your knowledge with best-in-class features. Get all the tools you need to build, grow, and manage a thriving online course and coaching business. Then obviously if you were to go down, you can see in build, you can bring your business online with the features you need to build a great product. So yeah, basically you get a custom domain, you get all the analytics, all the stats to mess around with, and yeah. You get all the main aspects of a business that you need to basically, create your courses and more stuff like that. It's pretty basic stuff, pretty easy stuff that makes it pretty easy for you to work around with everything. So, yeah, that's one of those things. Now, if we were to move down, we can see you can create with ease, whether it's self-paced courses, cohort-based courses, or live coaching. You can do all on Teachable. Self-paced courses are basically courses that you can give your courses at whatever speed you want. You could sell them whatever time, whatever speed, totally depends on you. Cohort-based courses are basically pre-recorded courses that you give in bulk. And then there's live coaching. So basically, if someone buys courses from you, what you're going to do is you're going to give them live classes, basically. You're going to give them live coaching, in easier words. So it's pretty nice and basic stuff. And yeah, then you can also start creating your course or coaching service quickly with our Teachable's intuitive drag and drop builder. Trust me, when it comes to drag and drop builders for websites like these, in my opinion, Teachable has one of the best ones out there. So yeah, you can go right ahead and start working with it as soon as you want to. Then obviously you can see you can get paid faster and sell right away with Teachable's built-in fully customizable sales page builder. Sell confidently with full e-commerce capabilities, get paid quickly on your preferred schedule, monthly, weekly, or even daily. No third-party system needed with Teachable Pay. Then you can also extend the power of the platform, connect with the tools you already use and love. We offer direct integrations with MailChimp, Zapier, ConvertKit, Google Analytics, Segment, and much, much more. Plus, use Teachable's public API to automate your workflow even more. Now, it says optimize student engagement. Use bespoke student side features, the comments, quizzes, and certifications of completion to drive learning outcomes and student satisfaction. Or it says Teachable made it simple to create and sell a great looking course that started generating income immediately. What an amazing thing to be making a living doing what I've been doing all along, sharing what I know. So as you can see, amazing place to just do what you do best and make a lot of money. Now, if you were to, talk in more depth, what you can do is you can come down here and talk and grow. So take your business to greater heights, whether that's through growing your audience or finding new ways to generate revenue. Streamlining your business, payment processing is one thing. With Teachable Pay, you also get flexibility and peace of mind with e-commerce optimization tools, automated tax fillings, fraud monitoring, chargeback support, and much, much more. You can also go global, sell confidently anywhere in the world with tax-inclusive pricing available only on Teachable Pay, boost global sales, and checkout conversion with upsells, order bumps, enrollment caps, bundles, and much, much more. You can also expand and automate and incentivize your students to refer their friends with student referrals, use affiliate marketing tools to recruit partners to promote your business on Teachable. Then obviously automate your payouts to collaborators with the back office, available only with Teachable Pay. You can also scale on your terms, where you can create any number of courses you want, repurpose content and lectures with ease so you can scale even faster. Plus, Teachable's bulk upload features lets you seamlessly migrate student information and courses from another platform. Now, obviously, if you were to scroll down, you can see the Manage tab as well. Whether it's compliance, taxes, or business management, Teachable automates all the tedious tasks for your business so you can focus on what you do best. Now, it can manage your taxes with ease, do business anywhere without basically having to worry about tax headaches, whether it's remittance or tax forms. Teachable handles your taxes so you don't have to collect it manually. Then you can gain powerful insights, understand your business performance, and proactively basically adjust strategy. Using Teachable's advanced data reporting, you can provide intuitive reporting on sales and student engagement to help you make data-informed decisions. And you can also stay protected, where Teachable offers industry-leading fraud protection, encryption, and backup capabilities so you stay fully protected and in control of your business and data. Plus, with an uptime of 99.99%, Teachable ensures outages won't knock you out. You can also build better relationships where you have business management features such as automatic payouts and custom user roles, which makes collaboration easy, while student features such as intuitive comments management help you connect with your customers. Now, if we were to come to support, we can see no matter where you are on your business journey, we get you the support you need every step of the way. As we discussed, Teachable has an amazing, in my opinion, and a very good help feature. Like, the people are there to help you in the best way possible. Now, if you were to discuss it more, you can also see you can get personalized guidance from helping you set up your school to mapping out your lunch strategy Teachable's dedicated customer success team is here to help you. They host live group coaching sessions 3 times a week, every week. Join the community. Their exclusive member community, Teachable, lets you connect with peers, build a valuable network, and get exclusive content to help you grow. Learn from the best, where you can get best practices and insider know-how through Teachable's exclusive programming, which includes free live events, the Teachable blog, and Teachable's flagship training program, Teachable U Plus. Their award-winning customer support team is here to help with any issue you may have, whether through email or live chat. Work with experts. Take your business to the next level with help from experienced professionals, exclusive to Teachable, and everything from marketing to web design to course building. So yeah, those are most of the features that Teachable covers up, and those are like all the things that it helps us use to create courses and automate them, help them run our business, and make a lot of money. Now, once we've discussed about that, let's go ahead and discuss the pricings that Teachable comes with. So here we have it. Best-in-class features and very straightforward pricing. Now here it says save up to 33% on your annual plan. So on annual plans, like these are obviously your monthly plans, and these are your annual plans. So the annual plans are basically, obviously the free plan is totally free. It's like $0. Then there's the basic plan, which is $39, and the annual, like billed annually, is $408. And then there's obviously the pro plan, which is like $119 per month, but $1,428 per year. But then obviously you have your monthly plans, which is $0, $59, and $159. So like there's a big difference in like the price gap. Then obviously there's the business plan, like we call it the enterprise plan, but for this you are obviously gonna have to contact the people at Teachable to set up a plan for yourself. Then obviously you have all your features over here, where you can see that with each plan you have unlimited coaching and unlimited downloads, except for the free plan. In the free plan you only have 1 coaching and 1 digital download. Then the core features contain unlimited students, integrated website and builder. You can also get your custom domain, direct integrations with other apps, public API for your automations, advanced theme customization in your sales and marketing. You can get integrated payment processing, tax handling, referral marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and advanced reporting. Then obviously one of the most main features is learning and support, where you can get email support, private community, launch accelerator challenge, live chat, live group coaching, dedicated customer success manager, priority support, and implementation and migration services. So those are all the features that come with the different types of pricings. So now that we have mainly discussed all the main features that Teachable brings you, let's go ahead and join in with the Teachable world. Let's see what the Teachable world actually is and how you're going to work around with it. So basically right now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a temp mail to do my workings and everything. But if you're doing this for the long run and you're actually going to create courses to make yourself money, I prefer that you do this you do a proper email. Don't do a made up email like me. But yeah, I'm going to add my email. Make sure to have a strong password. And once you enter in your password, what we're going to do is just agree to the terms and click on create account. And there you go. Your account is just successfully created. Then it walks you in to the onboarding survey, where it says, tell us a little about yourself. Your answers will help us build an experience to match your needs. Are you a business owner? So obviously you're going to tell them. So let's say, yes, you are a business owner, but you work part-time. I primarily identify as you could be a coach or tutor. You could be a content creator. You could be, a freelancer or consultant or something else. I'm going to go with content creator. Which topic is most relevant to your business or content? It could be, any one of these. I think I'm going to go with music and instruments just for fun right now. What category best describes your business stage? You're going to tell them what your business makes, what money you make nowadays. So you could tell them you make let's say this much yearly. Are you already teaching an online course? Please choose an option. So you could tell them, yes, you're either, teaching an online course or but not through an online course. I'm teaching, I'm just getting started, sharing my knowledge. Like you could go with any one of these. So I'm going to go with this for now. What is the size of your audience? So no one yet. I'm just going to go with that and click on next. Now, once that is done, it's going to load you up into the main dashboard of Teachable. So this in front of you that like you can see is the Teachable Dashboard, and this is where like everything goes down. This is where all the work is going to happen. This is where you're going to see all the things that you're going to mess around with, play around with to like create your courses. Now in this dashboard tab, we're obviously gonna see all these things like here it says welcome to Teachable, John Leahy. What would you like to do? So first of all, it's giving us upgrade your account. You're currently on a free plan. Unlock additional features and benefits on a paid plan. So we could like go ahead and upgrade that right now if you want to, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna wait for it, and because obviously like we're going to use the free plan for now. You can upgrade it to the bigger plan whenever you like, but trust me, on the free plan, you're only going to get one coaching and it's just going to get much difficult for you. So I recommend just using the, upgraded plan. Even to just go with the basic one, it's like $30, not a lot. So once you're here, you can see name your school. These are like all the steps you need to go through to like set up your account basically. Now, before going through all these steps, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain all the things that are going on over here. So right now I'm in the Get Started tab. Now, if I were to go over here, this is the Dashboard tab. And this is the tab where you're going to see all your dashboard aspects and your dashboard features. So basically you have all your analytics over here. In your analytics, you have all your signups, like different type of people who sign up for your, course, your active students, lesson completions, and course completions. Obviously, we have like, a music course. So obviously there will be music lessons in it. So these are your analytics as I discussed and everything. So it says we don't have an address on file for your account. So you can also set an address for, your workplace over here. Then obviously you have your users tab where you're going to see all the different students or users that are enrolled into your program. So you can also just add them automatically by just going here. Either you can bulk import them using a CSV. A CSV is basically an Excel file. You can either do that or you can just add them manually by email, like add their name and email one by one. Pretty nice and easy stuff. And yeah, it works great. And I've tried it. And this is how you're going to add all the students. You can also add leads, basically leads to your courses. And again, the same way you're going to add students is the same way you're going to add leads, just by exporting CSVs. So here it says monitor your email leads when potential customers provide their contact information through basically an email lead. What happens for them, like they will show here. And then obviously you have more owners, authors, affiliates, and more stuff like that. So you can go ahead with that as well. Now this is one of the most crucial places because this is your website section. And this is where you're going to be editing your whole, outlook, your whole overview, your whole interface, like what the audience is going to see, what you're going to offer the audience. So this is that place. So obviously this is going to be your offering place. So make sure that this place like looks the greatest, has the best, thumbnails, works the greatest. So yeah, once you, we're going to come back to this later. And then obviously there's your site domain. Right now, this is your site domain, like a free domain Teachable gives you, but you can also create a custom domain. But for that, you're going to need obviously an upgraded plan. This is your navigation settings where you can set the navigation for your website. You can set the navigation for your website by messing around with, the tabs, bringing them here and there and everything. This is the coupon section where you can upgrade your plan to use coupons basically. Then this is obviously your bio section where you have all the different bios, and like you can set these bios to let the people know what your page is all about, what you're doing in your page, and what they're going to obviously see. Then obviously here is the pages section where you can add different pages if you want to. You can delete pages. You can make product pages if you want to. Like all you need to do is add pages is just go over here and add new page. And we're going to be going through all of this like in a second. Then there is the sales tab. Obviously, this is an important tab as well because obviously in this tab, you're going to see all the sales that have been carried out. on your courses. So transactions will appear here. Course transactions will appear here after you make your first sale. Then obviously there's emails, where you can like email your students to like tell them something directly from Teachable. Like you don't have to go to Gmail or Yahoo or something like that. Then there comes your Teachable's settings. And this is also a pretty good play. Like over here, you can obviously use this to publish your course or school basically. So like people can obviously come to see your courses. Then obviously like you can mess around with the setting courses like autocomplete lessons, which automatically marks lessons as complete when the final video is finished playing. So yeah, turn that on, pretty useful feature. Autoplay videos automatically plays the first video when a student enters a lesson. Yeah, turn that on, quite a useful thing. Sync users course percent complete when publishing. You could turn this one on as well, pretty useful feature. Comment settings enable comment moderation. Comments will need to be approved by you before they show up. You can like turn these, like comment settings are pretty like abstract. You can use them and you can't use them. Like it totally depends on what you want, totally depends on your requirements basically. Then obviously in the settings tab, you can come to your payments. This is also a pretty useful place to be at because here is where you're going to set up your payments to start getting paid. So obviously, first of all, you're going to tell them your country. So I'm going to go ahead and tell them my country. So once you basically find your country, what you're going to do is you're going to click on continue. Here it says enter your PayPal email address to accept payments from Teachable via PayPal. So obviously, that's basically it. You're just going to enter your PayPal, verify that it's actually you. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you're going to start getting your payment. That's how you make a payment gateway. Then obviously there's taxes. You're going to tell them your tax ID and everything to tell them the tax price you pay. Then there's your notification settings where you can mess around with the notifications you get that Teachable sends you. So you can mess around with that. And in the settings, obviously you can come here and upload the plan as well. So this is also a great place to upload plans for you. Then there's the billing section. In the billing section, what you're going to do is you're going to, automatically set the settings for the billings. Like if for your billing address, like let's say you add a credit card, and once you've added a credit card, you're going to add a billing address for your payments. Like maybe your credit card doesn't work. Where will they send you a bill? So you're going to give them, an address to send you a bill. Then obviously there's integrations. In the integration section, you see all the different apps that you can integrate with and work around with to work better with Teachable basically, which is also a great thing to mess around with. Then there's webhooks to automate your workflows. Basically, webhooks is a program that Teachable gives you to automate all your workflows. Pretty basic and easy stuff. Then there's your API keys where you can unlock the ultimate business customization tool, get access to the tools you need to customize your Teachable business, whether it's accessing performance data or connecting to third-party tooling, you're in control. Upgrade to the Pro plan and above today for access. Then there's the authorization apps where you can create a seamless login experience for your custom app. If you are building a custom app, whether a web-based dashboard or new learning experience, you can use the OAuth to allow your app to use your students' Teachable or school credentials to gain access. And then obviously there's roles, like you can set roles for different people in your workspace. So yeah, those are the settings. Then obviously here are going to be your courses. This is where you're going to create everything, and we're going to obviously get to this in a bit. This is coaching, where you're going to create different coachings. Here's different downloads, digital downloads like PDFs, bundles like that. And then there's bundles, like you can create a whole bundle of maybe courses, coaching, and digital downloads. Now, once we have discussed all of that, let's go ahead and start with everything. So first of all, let's set ourselves up. So here it says name your school. So, okay, let's go and name ourselves a school. So you're going to go to your school name. And you're gonna click on publish school, and just click on publish, go on edit, and just name it anything random, like I don't know, Hudson Academy. Just call it that. I don't know, just call it that. Save it. Okay, so there's step one done. We have edited our school name. So now it says customize your domain. So basically edit your domain. Obviously we can't do that where we don't have the plan, but you get the point. Now it says set your brand, make your school your own by picking design fonts and color themes to reflect your brand. So just come here, and over here you're obviously going to start uploaded logos and brandings. You're going to upload your school thumbnail and a favicon. So to like make yourself a logo, a thumbnail, and a favicon, you can just use Canva, because Canva, as you know, a great place to create art for free. So just go ahead and create your art over there and just upload a logo. So let's say I'm also going to teach you just to, make life easier for you, make things look much better for you. You're just going to go in. I'm going to create a pretty basic logo, not a very, artistic one. So we're going to come here. Make sure the dimensions are right. Here it says 250 and 60 pixels. You're going to go on custom size. You're going to go in pixels and 250 by 60. Once you've done that, you're going to click on create new design. And you're going to go here again, and you're going to create a design for your thumbnail. So 960 by 540. So 960 by 540. Create new design. You're going to come back here and you're going to create this. So it's 32 by 32. So 32 by 32. So at some points it might not make it for you. So if it doesn't, you can just ignore it and, add another picture there sometime else. But yeah, here's your thumbnail. Now I'm just going to make a random thumbnail for my music classes, a really quick one. Here you go. Here's one thing. I'm going to go in Elements, search for music. Okay. I'm just going to add this over here. I'm just going to make it big. And yeah, there you go. There's my, obviously I want you to try to make a better thumbnail than me, but you get the point. You get how you're going to mess around with all these things. So I'm going to go on share, download, and download this as PNG. Okay. And yeah, there we go. It's downloaded. And then obviously this is your, you could see logo. It's your branding. So I'm just going to go with a random one. I'm just going to go with this. Okay. Again, share. Make sure the color grading is the same as your, you could say thumbnail. So there we go. Click on share, download PNG, and then just download it directly from there. And there you go. You have downloaded both your things. Now, first of all, I'm going to upload my logo over here. Right. Upload. I'm going to click on that. Now, once you click on that, obviously over here, it says select files to drag and drop. I'm going to drag and drop this over here and click on upload. Now, once you click on upload, it's going to upload this over here. And then we're going to come to our thumbnail section and we're going to upload your thumbnail over here. There you go. And then just upload. There we go. So once you've done that, you can go on preview to check how it actually looks like once a person comes here. So there you go. There's your logo over there. And if you were to, go to your thumbnail and everything, you can see it in the background. Now, once, we've done all of this, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to come down. We're going to also change the font family for our page. So you can mess around with the font family. Once you change the font family, you can also change the title that's going to be at your page and stuff like that. You can also change the color palette of your page just to make your page, you can give it, a darker scheme, a lighter scheme, a light dark scheme, or an abstract scheme. You can go with any one of these schemes just to make your page look much more decent. But for now, yeah, let's just come back here. You can also set up your landing page, establish your online presence, and collect email leads to warm up your business. So for that, we're going to go on edit homepage. Now, once you go on edit homepage, what you're going to do is you're going to wait for it to load you up real quick. So basically, again, this is your basic drag and drop editor where you're going to edit your main homepage. Now, over here, obviously, to edit your main homepage, you're going to come, let's say you drag and drop this and bring this down here. Now, what this is going to do, as you can see, it takes your banner and brings it down there. But obviously, as you can see, that doesn't look good at all. So we're going to bring it back up here. You can also add a new block. Let's say I want a block right under the banner. And it could be, an image with text. So I'm going to add an image with text. Okay. Now, once you add that, you're going to choose the image you want. So I'm going to replace this image with an image of my own from my device. So let's go with this. This is just a random image, by the way. That doesn't really mean anything, but you get the point. So it's an image you would find on a website, to be very honest, a website like this. So there you go. Now I'm going to click on upload. Now once you click on upload, what's going to happen is you're obviously going to choose a nice text that you want to display over it. So come here, you're going to click on the best courses you will find online. Make sure that you don't have any spelling mistakes like me. You will find online. Now you can also change the font. You can make it like bold, you can make it less bold basically. I'm gonna choose all this, make it bold or make it less bold, make it italicized if you want to. There you go, that looks much better. You can underline it, okay? And once you do that, you can also add an image link to the URL. So once you've done that, you can also go in design to mess around like with the alignment and everything. And yeah, that's basically how you add new blocks. Now I'm going to bring this right under my banner. And yeah, there we go. Now once I've done that, my draft has been saved. And all you're going to do is you're just going to publish it again to like save it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you basically mess around with the whole, editing part, how you're gonna, give your page different blocks, different features, different, let's say, pages to go around and mess around with. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and get started. Come here, and finally, we're gonna create ourselves a course. So we're gonna go and create a course. Here it says name your course. What would you like to name your course? Don't worry, you can always change this later. So course title, let's give ourselves a nice course title, like let's go with, it's a music shop, right? So drumming basics tutorials. So you go with that, and we're going to click on continue. Your course has been created. You can now access, edit, and manage drumming basics tutorial from the courses link in the sidebar on the left. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on the courses bit. Here we have it. And obviously, first of all, we're going to mess around with like the settings of our courses. So first of all, we need a good image for our course. So we have a course related to drumming, obviously. So we're going to upload a picture, as I discussed. Now, the best pictures you can find, like royalty-free pictures online, in my opinion, are from Pexels. So obviously, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to write drums, and hopefully we're going to find good drumming pics. And yeah, I think this pic looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and download that. I'm going to come here. I'm going to go and upload. And then I'm just going to drag and drop this picture. There we go. And once it's uploaded, just click on upload. And yeah, there you go. Now, once your picture is uploaded, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to go ahead and give your course details, like course subtitle, the course you need to learn drumming in a week. And then obviously you can give it different categories that maybe, like, let's say you can give it music categories, you can give it like rest categories if you want to. Totally depends on you. Then you can obviously set yourself as the author or someone else as the author, that like maybe someone else in your workspace or automated workflow, you can set him or her as the author if you want to, obviously. Then obviously you can set your default pages that you want to show it on. And yeah, after that, you're just going to click on save, and you've saved your information. Then obviously comes your pages. You're going to tell them on what page you're going to, have the drumming basic tutorials on. So it could be on the sales page and everything. And that's pretty easy stuff. Then you're going to come to the curriculum. In the curriculum, basically what's going to happen is you're going to tell the people what they're going to see. So here's obviously your first lesson. And in the new lesson, what you can do, you can just keep on adding more lessons if you want to. So it could be the first lesson. Okay. Now in this first lesson, you can add content right here. It could be a video. It could be an audio. It could be a resource. Like, let's say, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and add an audio from my system. Okay. So I'm going to go in downloads, and let's say I'm going to add this audio. Okay. I'm going to click on upload, and there you go. One bit of media has been uploaded in your course portfolio. Then that's obviously your first session. So I'm going to click on publish. Just make sure to keep clicking on publish to save it. Then you're going to go on new lesson, And now we're gonna go with second lesson. Obviously, you can just call these whatever drum parts you're gonna teach someone. So you can like call these drum fills basically. And then once you call it that, you're gonna go over here and you're gonna go and add content. And again, you can go on video and audio. I'm just going on audio as an example right now. You can go on video if you want to. And then I'm gonna click on upload. Now, once you've done that, it's gonna easily upload it. Pretty like basic, easy stuff till now. And yeah, just uploaded a course. Uploaded like the you could say information for the course. I'm gonna go and publish. And now I'm gonna go and design templates. Till then, I'm gonna go on drum fills to show you what it looks like. So yeah, here you can see complete and continue. Here is your course content. Now I'm gonna go back over here where it says manage your course design templates. Obviously, you have all these different templates. In my opinion, the template that it already gives you, Colossal, is amazing. Looks best and works amazingly, so just keep it. But if you want to change it, totally upon you. Obviously, you can add pricing plans to your course. Like let's say you could have a basic course, an intermediary course, and then an advanced course. So you can, add prices to all 3 different types of courses that you have. Now, once you've done that, you have your order bumps where you can increase average order value, which is your AOV with different order bumps. Add your first order bump to the checkout page and watch your revenue grow. You can like add a headline and stuff like that and more stuff. You can also add coupons basically, as I discussed, to, like have more engaging audiences, to work better with your audiences, and yeah, to like get more profit in that case. Now, once we have created ourselves a course, finally, it's telling us to set up our payments. And as I told you, to set up your payments, just go on the settings section. Once you go in your settings section, it's going to give you the option to set up your payments, tell them your country and your PayPal email. And yeah, that's just it. That is how you're going to set up your payments. But yeah, in retrospect, once you've done all this, the main things that you're going to work around with are, your site design and your courses. So as you can see, I just added a course. Now, once I've added a course, I'm going to obviously set my site's navigations. And obviously, in my products, you're going to see all my services, all my, you could say, all the services and courses that I've offered you. So once we have discussed all about that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on Get Started and I'm going to preview my site. Now, once you preview your main site, you're going to see if everything is as you want it to be. So obviously, you're going to preview as a student, which is going to, come to your site and they're going to, access your products. So let's say your student comes there and they come to access your products, but they don't see anything. Obviously, this is because I haven't set it fully yet. And this is how the public eye is going to see your website. We're just going to make sure to go to the main page. And yeah, here's the main page. This is what the public eye is going to see and everything. And obviously, they don't see your courses added right now. So what you're going to do, obviously, if you go in all products, you can see nothing's here. So what we're going to do, as I told you, we're going to go in courses. Here's your drumming's basics. And now you're going to publish the whole course. So you're going to go here and finally publish your course and all its lectures. And once you do that, there you go. Your course has been successfully published. And you're going to like preview where it's set up, preview the sales page and everything. Now, if I were to reload this in all my products, there you go. Now I have a page. So like if a person comes to my page, they're going to see, this interface. Oh, it's a nice website, good, interface and everything. Let's go and check his or her products. And he's going to go over here. They're going to go to all products and look at that. They're going to see my course right there. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to add, create, and upload courses. And obviously the main crucial thing is to make sure your website looks good and presentable. Because if that's not the case, then obviously no one's going to, people might come to your website, but they won't click further into it because it doesn't look too great for them. It doesn't look too good. So they're obviously going to click away if they're not, inspired by it. So yeah, now if I were to, give like an overview of the whole, you could say Teachable interface. We could say like if I were to discuss the pros and cons, I were probably to say I like how easy it is to have the lessons structured in an extremely logical manner and to have different types of resources available to your students. And also the payment gateway and ease of setting up courses, it's amazing. Like, it is so easy to get started, and the onboarding example courses and content was extremely helpful. For starters, it is also great that you can create a course and put it on Teachable for free to like test the drive, the platform, and see if it will be a good fit for you. So yeah, it gives you all these different features and all these different things that you can, play around, mess around with. And in my opinion, yeah, it just works wonders. It works amazingly. Then obviously it has its cons, like all great companies, like their insensitivity to isolated cases where I actually needed them to cancel from their company side instead of making a fooling me, and I still didn't know how to do it. So basically it has those issues that you need to obviously play around with, but trust me, it works great in the retrospect and like the contraband. Then obviously, like if I were to give a brief overview, you obviously know Teachable is an online course and coaching creation software that allows entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses of all sizes create personalized, engaging online courses and coaching products complete with videos, lectures, and quizzes. Collect payments through Teachable so you don't have to handle any of the nitty-gritty around VAT, taxes, and author payments. Track sales, gain insights into solid courses, and collect feedback via surveys on a unified dashboard, basically, all with zero tech headaches. It's also featured in noteworthy product, established player coaching software, and established player. It's also best, like the best people is for is like entrepreneurs, basically, creators, and small business owners that earn money sharing what they know through courses and coaching. Deployment and support is also amazing. Like it has, your cloud SaaS, web-based and everything. It's for desktop Mac and desktop Windows. Although, like, what I don't like about it, that it does not have any mobile functionality, like for your mobile phones, and it's also not for Linux. So if you have a Linux, then I'm sorry, this will not work for you. Then obviously there's the whole support section. As we discussed, it has a great support section with amazing, features. Then obviously it has your live training, your webinars, documentations, and different videos to like give you training and tutorials. And then obviously it has, its very own benefits that you can obviously use to your benefit. And yeah, basically that's most of the things that there are to discuss when it comes to Teachable, and that's the main overview of it. And like these are all the steps you need to do to basically create a course for yourself and upload it online. Now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. And if I left anything out in this tutorial, please let me know that as well, and I'll complete it for you in a jiffy in the comments. And if you have any issues or queries related to this video, please let me know that as well down in the comments, and I will get straight back to you. And in the future, if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know again, and I'll make more for you. But yeah, until then, again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I will see you all next time. That was all from me. Goodbye.